G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to continue doing our every item in the game series. So if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And we're going to do the smithy this time. This is going to be a big one. So like I said, that can be boring, but it's all about the numbers. So bear with me and let's get started. Wooden spear. Cudgel. Wooden shovel. Wooden hoe. Wooden hammer. Bow. Longbow. Recurved bow. Wooden crossbow. Wooden bolt. Stone axe. Stone knife. Stone pickaxe. Stone sickle. Throwing stone. Stone arrow. Stone hoe. Stone spear. So let's go into our copper age. Copper axe. Copper hammer. Copper hoe. Copper spear. Copper knife. Copper sickle. Copper shovel. Copper bolt. Copper arrow. Copper field. Copper bar. Tin bar. Bronze bar. Iron bar. Now we go into the Bronze Age. Bronze hammer. Bronze axe. Bronze sickle. Bronze knife. Bronze hoe. Bronze pickaxe. Bronze shovel. Bronze shearing scissors or shears. Bronze scythe or scythe. bronze spear, bronze bolt, bronze arrow. Now we can go under the Iron Age, iron hammer, iron axe, iron knife, iron shovel, iron spear, iron scythe, iron shears, iron shoes, iron sickle, iron bolt, iron arrow, iron crossbow, iron cudgel, iron pickaxe. And just in case I forgot, iron hoe. Okay guys, there's all the smithy items. Next one will be the tavern. Remember that some of these items on the table are not 100%, but when I checked the prices for them, I made sure that I checked everything was 100% when I made them. So these are just some items that I put on the table that I've been using. So again, I know it's a little bit boring, but it's good to see the price that you can actually get for these items. So if you like the video, you know what to do. Like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.